Just cleaning up some metal, some steel from it was old water pumps to make a frame for a rebar bender. The idea is they'll have a couple bearings kind of sandwiched in between here, one down here and one over here, bolted through like that, and another one here that can move vertically to put the pressure on to bend rebar between the two of these. So that's what I'm working on. Just got it lined up here so I can drill the holes so you can get them in the right spot corresponding to each side. I got the center here, and I'm going to put two places, 1, 2 on each side for different bending for different diameters. Unfortunately, my biggest drill bit's not enough, so I got to do a fair amount of filing there. This file has helped me widen them out. Now I just need to weld it like that, and the easy job is done. And then I need to figure out a way to have something pressed down here and turn. As it turns out, I think thinner washers is going to be better to make it so there's not so much space between the bearing and the sides here. Now I'm going to weld these on here, and I'm going to try to make it adjustable so that one side can come off if you want to put larger space in here. Here's the adjustable part. I'm going to drill a hole and put a bolt and weld the nut to there. I'll weld this second nut here in place and then remove that one so that it can just bolt this together to hold this piece to that piece. Something like this. Now I've cut a piece like this. I'm going to put it like that. And I'm going to make another one for here for the pulley to slide, or the bearing to slide. So now this thing is going to theoretically slide up and down here. I might have to open this up a little bit. And I need to get the other side going now. The plan is that this bearing will fit inside here, and then this will be welded onto here, and this piece here will be what spins to advance the rod. I'll just cut this off and put a handle up here so you can turn it around. So I'm working on getting this size up to this size to nest it in, so the bearing can nest in right like that. Alright, we're getting closer. So this fits on here. I need to put a handle to spin around. In a test, it seems to actually somewhat work, but we need some guides here to keep the steel in where it's supposed to go. Here I'm making a handle, and I just got to fit this on here, and a little hole in here so you can put oil. I stole that idea from, actually stole the whole handle almost from another machine. I've done a little more welding here. We added a couple of guides on both sides. Cut this off a little bit. It didn't need to be so tall. And this here is going to be to stabilize this other side. Here's our handle. And on the handle is this thing that rotates. I'm going to weld this here to the bolt in order to keep the other side from falling off once you put this side onto the bearing. Okay, there's that piece there holding this from sliding out, and it goes something like this. Turns out it works a little bit, not perfectly. I'll give it a try. Let's see. turn it. It's not working. Okay, we made some adjustments. We've actually tried to weld it to this engine block and cemented some brackets to the floor to hold the engine block in place. I've cut away here so that we can do more than one ring at a time.
Andro na ya. Andro mo higina.
This one, yeah.
Gula mo kaya nalingon niya ka. Aja sa uli ka man, aja ni mas kay mas.
Yeah.